Hey, what's good, you guys? It's your boy Rucci Reacts coming at y'all again with another video. And today's August 29th. And you know what that means? It's Michael Jackson's birthday. Happy birthday, Michael Jackson. Your music will always inspire everybody. Your music will always be timeless and, you know, all that good stuff. So, if Michael Jackson was still alive today, he would be 63 years old. Which is crazy. I mean, he's been, wow. And he would probably still be dropping albums. I wouldn't doubt that a bit because I think he once said he would quit performing, but he would continue to drop albums as long as he could. So yeah, happy birthday, Michael Jackson. And also, I am getting reaction requests. Don't worry, I will get to them. It's just like, you know, I got other videos in my back pocket that I'm trying to drop. So, and plus yesterday, I just wanted to play the game, so I decided to live stream. So, there's that. So, but don't worry, I'll get to the reaction requests. I'm not gonna be like one of those Hollywood YouTubers that pays no mind to the audience. I'm grateful for every single view that I get. I'm being for real. I'm grateful for every single view, every single like, every single subscriber. I mean, I'm grateful for it. Like, 'cause it's better than nothing, and I'm just grateful. So, I promise I'm gonna pay attention to you guys, and I'm not gonna turn Hollywood. Even when I'm 1 million subscribers, I'm not gonna turn Hollywood. Well, at least try not to. But anyways, it's been your boy Rucci Reacts, and let's get right into the video. Hey, what's good, you guys? It is your boy Rucci Reacts coming at y'all again with a new unboxing video. It's been a while since I made one of these, so let's get right into it. I ordered a new Michael Jackson CD. It was Michael Jackson Got to Be There. It was one of his Motown albums, his debut Motown album. So yeah, let's get right into it, shall we? It came all the way from Singapore. Like, I got it on eBay. So there we go. I cut it. Just gotta cut it like so. And this thing is surrounded by bubble wrap. It's supposed to still be sealed, hopefully. And I don't know why, but Got to Be There is such a scarce album. I don't know why. Like, I had a hard time finding this album. Oh, the bubble wrap. There we go. There we go. You know. Oh. Where's the scissors at? Got to be there, got to be there when no one's around. It'll be there when I'm gone. So much bubble wrap. I gotta be there. Gotta be there. Be there. And cause I just got to be there. All the little birdies go tweet, tweet, tweet. And rockin' Robin. Sorry, it's taking a long time to unbox this thing. So much bubble wrap. So much bubble wrap. So much bubble wrap, so much bubble wrap. Now you can start to see the CD. I mean, I can see why. Because CDs are fragile. Whoa. In good condition too. Wow. This is staying sealed. Check this out, y'all. Like, see, Michael Jackson got to be there. It's in good condition. Wow. Not bad for a CD that came all the way from Singapore. Wow. 1971 Motown Record Company. 1972 Motown Record Company. So it has this is the debut album of Michael Jackson. A lot of people think Off the Wall is the debut album, but this is the real debut album. One of the hit songs on there is Rockin' Robin and Got to Be There. So that's the only two songs that I know, but these are all the songs that are on there. So yeah. So yeah, I'm glad that I finally got my hands on this album, so I can check it off the bucket list. So yeah. Anyways, it's been your boy Rucci Reacts. If you like this album, leave a like. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, please leave a like. Also follow all my social medias, subscribe for more content. It's been your boy Rucci Reacts, and I'm out.